guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Maria with Brianna's Braids, and I have Brianna with me today, and we want to show you how to do infinity braids with no show part line. So there you go, and let me spin you. And you could curl the hair if you want to, but we're going to leave it straight for today. So let's get started. I have a small section of the hair up front out and the rest is tied in a low ponytail. Now spray some water, brush out the section. I will also add a bit of an argan oil to keep the hair nice and smooth. Now with the comb, make a small part line and put that section out to the left. Make another part line and put that section to the right. Another part line and put that hair on the left side, another part line and put that hair to the right, and make the last part line and put the top section to the left and bottom to the right. And I will clip the right sections out of the way for now with the hair clip. Make another part line and the section is pretty narrow. The rest of the hair tie back in a ponytail. Now take a small section on the left, split it in half, and take a small section of the hair from the right strand. Put it under that strand, over the left, under the left, over the right strand, under the right strand, over the left strand, under the left strand, over the right, under the right. And now I'm going to start adding hair, and for this braid I will only add hair on my right side. So together now cross it over the left strand, under the left strand, over the right strand, under the right strand. Pick up extra hair, add it to that strand, and I will brush this hair out just to keep the hair nice and smooth. And together cross it over the left strand, under the left strand, over the right strand, under the right strand, and again add hair to your working strand. And once again I will brush it out to keep it nice and smooth. And together cross it over the left strand, under the left strand, over the right strand, under the right strand, and again add hair. I will speed it up a bit from now on, but continue adding hair to your right strand. Once you've picked up all the hair, continue with infinity braid by crossing your working strand over the left strand, under the left, over the right strand, under the right strand, over the left strand, under the left strand, over the right strand, under the right strand. Once you've made a few extra stitches, tie the braid in the end with an elastic. To the right side, I'm making another small part line, tying the rest of the hair in a ponytail. Now take a small section, split it in half, and now I'm taking the small section of the hair from the right. I will even out the strands. So cross your small section under the right strand, over the left, under the left, over the right, under the right, over the left. And now I will start adding hair So pick up a small section of the hair, add it to your working strand, and together cross it over the right strand, under the right strand, over the left, under the left. Add extra hair to your working strand again, and together cross it over the right strand, under the right strand, over the left strand, under the left strand. So the same as we were doing on the other side, but now we are adding hair to our left. So pick up extra hair, add it to your working strand, and together cross it over the right strand, under the right strand, over the left strand, under the left strand, and pick up hair again. Continue until you've picked up all the hair. Once you've picked up all the hair, continue with infinity braid, make a few extra stitches, and tie in the end with an elastic. I will combine both infinity braids together and tie them with an elastic. Let the other braid out of the hair tie and brush the section out. I'm going to make a simple French braid, so split your hair to 3 equal strands and put your left strand over the middle and right strand over the middle, left strand over the middle, right strand over the middle, and I will go back and gently tug at the edges of the braid, but only on the right side. So continue all the way down and tie the braid with an elastic.
Everything's alright with a violet sky. A violet sky must be
Now I'm taking the braid and forming a flower bun so that pancaked side of the braid is facing out, and secure the bun with bobby pins. And let the rest of the hair out of the ponytail. Let's do a final spin. So down and whoops. Oh no! Bruised knees. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give us thumbs up and subscribe. Click the notification bell to let you know when our new tutorial is being uploaded. And as usual, all the products that I used in this video I will link down in the description box below. And we will see you next time for another tutorial. Bye!